Hi, I'm Ms. Foster, and I'm the reading teacher for Team 8-1. Here's a look inside of my classroom. You can see that we have plenty of sunshine coming in through the windows, as well as a variety of books for students to read. I also have a section for students, some resources in case they need something because they've lost it. Pencil, it usually comes in handy quite often. This is the syllabus. You should have seen this on Google Classroom or through my website. This just lays out the course description and other various things on here that are kind of important to know. This is the expectations. So on here, I ask that students always come prepared, that they are respectful and that they have a positive attitude and that they're willing to work hard. And as far as coming in prepared, please remind your student to always charge their Chromebook at night and to always bring their Chromebook to school every day because they will need it. Another piece of advice too is to make sure that if your student is using a JCPS Chromebook, that they are in fact using the one that has been provided specifically to them, because if they use someone else's, the district will lock that particular Chromebook. That's just something we learned recently. So just some advice I wanted to pass along. Here you can see is the grading information. If I had your student last year, you should be a little bit familiar with this, that I typically grade on a 4-point scale. And the district is moving towards standards-based grading. And in that effort to emphasize learning, growth, and achievement, we're using this modified standards-based grading system because so that it can fit into Infinite Campus and such. But this system links each assessment to a standard, a particular standard that's being taught, and it also helps to show growth. A student's growth in reaching or achieving proficiency in that standard. Therefore, it's the standards that are evaluated based on the quality, not necessarily on completion. And this is specifically when it comes to those mastery grades. So it is normal for you to see the grades fluctuate daily, especially while you and your student are learning to acclimate to this whole new system of standards-based grading. You may also see fewer grades in there compared to the traditional system of grading. And so the students are continuing to work on this. And of course, if you ever have questions or such, please feel free to reach out to me, and so we can further discuss and learn more about standards-based grading. If your student happens to be absent or in this day and age having to quarantine, just a note that all assignments are posted to Google Classroom. So everything that your student would need is available to them. You can also access my daily agenda through my website, www.itsmissfoster.com. The daily agenda is also posted to the students' Google Classroom, and it's a great place for them to go to know exactly what we did in class on that particular day. And it also helps them with any of the resources or materials that we utilize in class on that particular day. If for any reason you should need to contact me, please feel free to reach out to me through email. It's at laura.piercefoster@jefferson.kyschools.us. And as always, please refer to my website. It's very helpful and has information there that can help both you and your student. So thanks again, and I look forward to teaching your student, and have a great day, night, evening, whatever time of day you're watching this. Thanks again.